How to change the default render location in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, go to the Deliver page at the bottom of the screen. This is where you prepare your project for export. Now, on the left side, you will see the render settings panel. Just below the file name, you will find an option called Location. This is where your rendered video will be saved. Click on the Browse button next to the location field. A window will open. Here, choose the folder where you want to save your rendered video. After picking the folder, click Save. If you want to use the same folder every time, you can save it as a custom preset. To do that, after selecting the location and your render settings, click the three dots at the top of the render settings panel and choose Save as New Preset. Give your preset a name and click Save. Now, every time you finish editing and move to the Deliver page, just select your saved preset and your output location will be ready. This helps you avoid setting the folder again and again for every project. And that's it. Now you know how to change the default render location in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.